Hi everyone, I'm Wafa Lango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have got the second tense, that is past indefinite tense, and lecture part 1 we are going to discuss usage. We use this tense for past habits and actions. Now habits and actions have got little bit difference. Habits, those which you do and genetically you are compelled to do them, this you have got naturally, and actions like we simply do and we may leave them. Now past habits and actions which were done in past, now you don't do it. Like past habit, I say I teased my teacher a lot. I was compelled doing this habit, because I had this habit. Now I have become a teacher. Now I really come to know that what should be the respect for teacher. That's why I have left teasing my teachers. I say, I teased my teachers a lot. And actions, like I say, I studied in school. Now this action I have left doing. So those actions which we do in past, or those habits which we do in past in present, we may have left or may have not left. Okay, I told you that for understanding the tense you should have two important points. Number one is verb and second one is helping verb. Verb, here we use second form of the verb. Verb have got five forms, like first form of the verb, second form, third form, fourth form which is called ing form, fifth form which is called ses, is form. So in this tense we use second form of the verb, and it is your single tense where you are using second form of the verb. And here the second important point is helping verb, and we have one helping verb, that is did. Keep in your mind, did is used with all subjects. You can use it with he, she, it, you, we, they, I, singular names as well as with plural names. So we have got five kinds of sentences. As usual, let's discuss the first one, simple sentences. Those sentences which make simple statement are called simple sentences. Formula for them is subject, second form of the verb, object and full stop. We completed the works and he spoke the truth. Here we are using the second form of the verb. Now negative sentences, those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement or refuse the statement. Formula is subject, helping verb, then not, and then first form of the verb, object and full stop. Now the question may raise in your mind that in simple we are using second form, but here we are using first form of the verb. So let me clear your confusion. Keep in your mind, we always use second form of the verb. No doubt here we are also using second form. See, here two verbs are coming, helping verb and the main verb or action verb. Helping verb is what? Did, and did is already the second form of your do. Now if you remember, in present indefinite tense we discussed do or does. So do is the first form, second form is did. So if we are using helping verb did second form, so there is no need to use two times the second form of the verb. Hope you got the answer. Now we did not complete the works and she did not complete she did not speak the truth. And next we have got interrogative sentences, those sentences in which we ask questions. For asking questions, definitely we bring helping verb first, after that subject, and then first form, object and question mark. Like we say, did we complete the works and did she speak the truth? After that we have got formal sentences, those sentences in which we ask question and deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way. Formal way means in a polite way, in a respectful way, or we use it with our elders. And in the same way you can also use it with the one whom you are not free with. Formula is helping verb, subject plus first form, then not plus first form, object and question mark. Like we say, did we not complete the works? Did he not speak the truth? And last we have got informal sentences. The complete name for them is interrogative negative formal, interrogative negative informal. Now interrogative negative informal sentences are those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, but we ask them in an informal way, and we use it in a friendly atmosphere. We use it with our juniors or youngers, and we also use it in our spoken English. This may the fourth one may be used in your written, and the fifth one may be used in your spoken English. So formula, when keep in your mind helping verb and not come together, so did not is changed into didn't, and it is also pronounced in American English didn't, but the appropriate and the best pronunciation for this one is didn't. After that you will be putting subject, then first form of the verb, object and question mark. Didn't we complete the works? Didn't he speak the truth? Now hope you got the tense, but I again repeat the same saying that practice makes a man perfect. So let's do the practice, and you should also keep doing the same practice. You will start now. See, today we completed how many sentences? 5. And in present indefinite as well we completed 5. So your sentences now will be how many together? 10. So each verb you will be making how many sentences? 10 sentences. Then in this way you will be able to understand. Try to change your subjects here. Sometimes you'll be using he, she, it, you, we, they in order to understand them. So how you are going to practice? Start practice from present indefinite and take it to the past indefinite. So like we say, taunt. I say he taunts me. He does not taunt me. Does he taunt me? Does he not taunt me? Doesn't he taunt me? He taunted me. He did not taunt me. Did he taunt me? Did he not taunt me? Didn't he taunt me? In the same way, spend. You spend money. You do not spend money. Do you spend money? Do you not spend money? Don't you spend money? You spent money. You did not spend money. Did you spend money? Did you not spend money? Didn't you spend money? Waste. I waste time. I do not waste time. Do I waste time? Do I not waste time? Don't I waste time? I wasted time. I did not waste time. Did I waste time? Did I not waste time? Didn't I waste time? In the same way, create. She creates problem. She does not create problem. Does she create problem? Does she not create problem? Doesn't she create problem? She created problems. She did not create problems. Did she create problems? Did she not create problems? And didn't she create problems? And in the same way, paint. Yasser paints the room. Yasser does not paint the room. Does Yasser paint the room? Does Yasser not paint the room? Doesn't Yasser paint the room? Yasser painted the room. Yasser did not paint the room. Did Yasser paint the room? Did Yasser not paint the room? Didn't Yasser paint the room? So in the same way, each verb you will be having 10 sentences. Keep practicing. Wish you best of luck. See you next time.